anytime you're mounting a TV up on the wall, the benefits, I think, are huge. And they're subtle, but what they do for a space is kind of immense.
Let's talk about furniture.
Yeah.
So when it comes to mounting a television on the wall, you're really eliminating a piece of furniture.
It has to sit on something otherwise.
It's got to sit on something. So a lot of times it's hard to match up the size of your television with a piece of furniture. That's gone. Also, you can change your furniture around. It gives you some flexibility because the TV is up off of that piece.
When it's up on the wall, it can kind of perform almost like a piece of artwork. So you can do a gallery wall around this, however you want to build it into your aesthetic. It doesn't need to be the aesthetic. It can build into whatever
Exactly.
your house is your home. Dedicated TV rooms are kind of rare, especially in older homes, smaller rooms, that kind of thing. These need to be multi-purpose spaces.
I'm also thinking about using it for children. You can put their toys on the floor in that space. Let's talk about yoga. You can do some sort of workout in that space.
Sure, more so maybe like a sit-up than a yoga for me. Stretch
fine.
flexibility has never been a strength.
Do your sit-up.
Crunches while you watch television.
Exactly.
And you can angle it down toward you. Getting the TV up off a piece of furniture on the wall is the ultimate in flexibility for your home.